Hello math learners! In this video, we are going to discuss about operations on integers. Let's begin. There are four operations on integers. First is addition of integers. There is a song that we can use when we add integers. If you know the song, please sing along.
Same signs add and keep, different signs subtract. Take the sign of the bigger number, then you'll be exact. Same signs add and keep, different signs subtract. Take the sign of the bigger number, then you'll be exact.
Based on the song, if the integers have the same signs, for example, 2 and 2, they are both positive. Add the absolute value of the integers and keep or copy the sign. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Another example, negative 2 plus negative 2. Again, they have the same signs, they are both negative. Add the absolute value of the integers. 2 plus 2 is 4, and then keep the sign, which is negative. So the answer is negative 4. But if the integers have different signs, one is positive, the other is negative, like this example, positive 14 plus negative 10, they have different signs. We need to subtract the two integers and copy the sign of the number with bigger absolute value. So 14 minus 10 is 4, and copy the sign of the bigger number, which is positive. So the answer is positive 4. Another example, 5 plus negative 10. They have different signs. One is positive and the other is negative. Again, subtract the two integers and copy the sign of the bigger number. 10 minus 5 is 5, and copy the sign of negative 10, which is negative, so the answer will be negative 5. Let's have more examples. Find the sum of the following integers. Number 1, 5 plus 6. Since both numbers are positive, then add the two numbers and copy the sign. 5 plus 6 is 11. They are both positive, so the sum is positive 11. Number 2, negative 8 plus negative 2. Again, they have the same signs. They are both negative. Add the two numbers. 8 plus 2 is 10, and copy the sign negative. So the answer is negative 10. Number 3, negative 10 plus 7. Since both numbers have different signs, we need to subtract the two numbers and copy the sign of the bigger number. 10 minus 7 is 3, and copy the sign of negative 10, which is negative, so the answer is negative 3. Number 4, 30 plus negative 25. Both numbers have different signs, so we need to subtract the two numbers and copy the sign of the bigger number. 30 minus 25 is 5. The sign of the bigger number is positive, so the answer is positive 5. Now, let's discuss about subtraction of integers.
Before that, how is adding integers so far? Quite easy, right? Please familiarize the rules for adding integers, for it will be used again in subtracting integers. To know how to subtract integers, please listen very well to my discussion. Rules for subtracting integers. Rule number 1. Copy the minuend. Second, change the sign of the subtrahend. The third one, proceed to addition. I will give you an examples on how to subtract integers. Find the difference of the following integers. Example number 1. Negative 17 minus positive 9. In this problem, our minuend is negative 17. Our subtrahend is positive 9. Rule number 1. Copy the minuend, which is negative 17. Rule number 2. Change the sign of the subtrahend. From positive 9, turn to a negative 9. Rule number 3. Proceed to addition. From subtraction to addition. According to the rules of adding integers, same sign must be added. You will add the two numbers and copy the sign. Okay, let me sing for you. Same sign, add and keep, different sign, subtract. Use the sign of the bigger number, then you'll be exact. Same sign, add and keep, different sign, subtract. Use the sign of the bigger number, then you'll be exact. As you can see, negative 17 and negative 9 are both same negative integers. It means that you will add the two numbers and copy the sign which is negative. Your final answer must be negative. So 17 plus 9 is 26. Your answer is negative 26. Example number 2. 11 minus negative 4. Our minuend is 11. Our subtrahend is negative 4. Copy the minuend, which is 11. Change the sign of the subtrahend. From negative 4, change to positive 4. Rule number 3, proceed to addition. From subtraction to addition. As you can see, 11 and 4 are both positive. It means that according to the rules of adding integers, you will add the two numbers if they are both same sign. Therefore, 11 plus 4 is 15. Yes, 15. And your final answer is equal to positive 15. Example number 3. Negative 13 minus negative 9. Still, you will use the rules in subtracting integers. First rule, copy the minuend, negative 13. Second rule, change the sign of the subtrahend. From negative 9, change to positive 9. The third rule, proceed to addition. From subtraction to addition. As you can see, negative 13 and positive 9 are different signs. The sign of the bigger number is negative, which is negative 13. So, your answer must be negative. And also, you will subtract the two numbers because they are both different signs. So, 13 minus 9 is equal to 4. And your final answer is negative 4.
Now let's discuss about multiplication and division of integers.
Rules in multiplying or dividing integers. If they are same signs, your final answer will be positive. Different signs, your final answer will be negative. Examples. We will discuss further multiplication of integers. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. Negative 4 times negative 2 is still equal to 8. Based on the given examples, we can observe that if the integers have the same signs, both positive or both same negative signs, the product is positive. Negative 4 times 2 is equal to negative 8. 4 times negative 2 is equal to negative 8. Based on the given examples, we can observe that if the integers have different signs, their product is negative. Let's go on to division of integers. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Negative 4 divided by negative 2 is equal to positive 2. Based on the given examples, we can observe that if the integers have the same signs, their quotient is positive. Negative 4 divided by 2 is equal to negative 2. 4 divided by negative 2 is equal to negative 2. Based on the given examples, we can observe that if the integers have different signs, your final answer must be negative.
That's all for this video, math learners. Always remember, the only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics.